Welcome to week 5 of Negotiation and Influence. This is the last week for a practice negotiation. The negotiation this week is Multimode Inc. and a Vice President of Finance is negotiating with the Vice President of Human Resources. Again, this is a more extensive negotiation along the lines of the Sally Soprano negotiation. There is a sheet that's available to both parties, so you both have the same background information, but then each of you also has a confidential sheet that talks to you about what you believe and what you want to get from the negotiation. You can conclude from that the BATNA and begin to look at your target point and resistance point. And look at what's truly needed, again focusing on the needs, not just the wants of each party. Part of the success of this negotiation is going to be the amount of time that you take together to look at some creative solutions to get what's really needed out of this negotiation after you have determined the true interests that underscore the overall negotiation. I hope you have fun with this negotiation this week. You'll also be continuing to look at the importance of negotiation and examining schools of bargaining ethics. You will have one final written assignment this week before you move into next week, in which the written assignment is going to be the analysis of a movie. To understand win-win in real-life situations. Next week also is going to be a reflection on how you did on multimode, but then the bulk of the week is going to be working in your groups to prepare for that final negotiation that takes place in week 7. Week 7 will also be the writing of your final paper to pull together all the concepts covered in this class. So you can be evaluated as an individual in terms of writing that paper. I hope you have a good week this week. For Group 1, DeAndre is facilitating Form 5.0 and Chanel is facilitating 5.1. For Group 2, Kyle is facilitating Form 5.0 and Roberto is facilitating 5.1. As in last week, the facilitators have access to all of the roll sheets so they can understand the results and the preparation memos that are posted in 5.2, and they will be able to write a good reflection on the multi-mode negotiation, which they will post next week to 6.0 along with everybody else, in understanding and seeing my feedback as to what could have been done in that negotiation and how well each of the groups did. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a great week.